welcome to Brahmand. Implement 5S with us to grow your company. Introducing Brahmand 2.0 Smart Inventory Management System. A Industry 4.0 product, made in India. Brahmand 2.0 addresses any problem where storage and inventory matter. The standard unit comes with 46 drawers. These drawers are locked electronically. Drawers can be accessed only via system after authentic login. It comes with a barcode scanner and a fingerprint reader. A 20-inch touchscreen and manual override. It has a power backup of 2 hours. Emergency override key mechanism is available to mitigate system outage. After login only, user can have access to items inside the drawer. Locating item and its availability is done easily and fast. It is mandatory for the user to specify few details. It creates a forced discipline for user. Drawer cannot be accessed without entering these details. Once all required fields are entered, light of drawer which contains the item will be switched on. After the transaction is completed, user needs to confirm and push the drawer. The software will update the inventory status in the background. If inventory falls below a set level, purchaser and admin will receive an alert via email. It makes life of manager easy. Benefits of Brahmand 2.0: improvement in production efficiency, reduction in inventory carrying cost, transparency of usage, report generation, store management made easy. It's a long-term profit-making machine. If all direct and indirect losses are calculated, then ROI is very high and fast. Thank you. Please reach us or let us reach you.